Uphold has quickly become one of the most versatile platforms for digital asset management, and its staking options provide users with a straightforward way to earn passive income. Staking on Uphold allows investors to lock up their crypto holdings and receive rewards in return, providing a consistent yield without the complexities of active trading. This approach works by participating in the network of certain cryptocurrencies, supporting their operations while earning staking rewards. Among the best Uphold staking options is Ethereum. Ethereum's proof-of-stake system allows holders to stake their ETH directly through Uphold, earning a competitive annual yield. This provides exposure to one of the most widely adopted blockchain networks while benefiting from the platform's seamless user interface and security features. Staking Ethereum through Uphold requires no technical setup, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned investors. Another compelling option is Solana. Solana staking offers attractive rewards due to its high-throughput network and efficient validation system. By staking SOL on Uphold, users can earn a steady income while participating in the growth of a fast-evolving blockchain ecosystem. The platform simplifies the staking process, ensuring rewards are automatically calculated and credited without the need for complex configurations. Cardano also ranks highly among Uphold's staking options. With its proof-of-stake consensus, ADA holders can earn consistent rewards by delegating their tokens to trusted pools through Uphold. This provides a passive income stream while contributing to network security and decentralization. Uphold's staking system stands out for its transparency, low fees, and instant access to earned rewards. Users can monitor their staking performance directly on the platform and manage their holdings with full control. Overall, Uphold's staking options combine convenience, security, and reliable returns, making them an attractive choice for anyone looking to grow their crypto portfolio with minimal effort.